Look closely. This is not just a bird. It's a woodpecker, nature's tireless carpenter. With a beak as strong as a chisel, it taps up to 20 times per second, searching for insects hidden deep within the bark. But that sound you hear? It's not just noise. It's communication, it's survival. It's the rhythm of the forest. And don't worry, its brain is protected by nature's perfect shock absorber. So next time you hear the tap, tap, tap in the woods, remember that's the sound of a tiny hero at work.